all we have left on this one is one. We're gonna pull that up with a flathead screwdriver, and then we'll pull this off and go to the next step. So using our flathead screwdriver, you wanna get up underneath one side, pry up gently, then come to the other side, pry up gently. We're gonna repeat back and forth so not to ruin this clip. Once we get it up, we can pull it off, and now we can remove our plastic panel, giving access to the bolts on our headlights on both sides. So we have a bolt right about here underneath our headlight. So to get to it, we have to remove this section of the front bumper. To get to it, we have two bolts mounted behind that bumper in the fender well, visible here and here. Okay, so now with our bumper pulled forward, we're gonna lift up, and in this little groove right here, you're gonna see a bolt in the very far back. Can you see that? Am I showing this for you?
Yeah.
Perfect. On top here, one on the core support, and then we'll have two rubber studs that go in the back of the fender that we'll have to pull loose, and they can be sometimes tricky. Oh, neat. Well, that's going to be fun. We'll pretend that didn't happen. Now, to remove the wiring, we have one wire in the back that needs to be removed. And to remove it, we just pinch this clip right at the bottom there and then pull them apart. So this harness right here has to be switched over to our new headlight. So what we'll do is we'll disconnect them from every single one of these connections and then swap over to here. We'll also be saving these running lights to go into the new headlight as well. Oh, this is not the right. Now, our new LED headlights are going to wire to the existing running lights. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this positive and negative, red and black, and match them to the positive and negative coming out of our running light. Now our clips can only go one way. You'll see that this clip here has ears on the side, while this clip has ears on the top, so there's no way to get mixed up. So now the next deal is we just got to figure this green or this green.
Can you start over from explaining the blinker?
Yes, okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the top of our headlight. This is our top interior running light. I'm sorry, want me to start over?
Yeah.
So this is the top of our headlight. These are our interior running lights, blinker and running lights. Now, we're going to wire our LED light bar to our interior running lights, and we're going to go to our top bulb, and we're going to use any one of these two green wires that we wish. You can use this one or you can use this one, and then this black wire. Now it is important that we match black to black and green. We can use any of these two green wires that we wish, but it's important that we match red to green and black to black. So to connect our wires together, we're going to use these splice connectors to splice to our green and black wires that are existing, and then we'll use these insulated blade connectors to match up our new red and black wires to our green and black wires that are existing. Now we have almost a foot excess of wire, so cut them to length as you feel comfortable. We will go ahead and strip these wires roughly 1/4 inch. And then crimp down for safety. Always twist your wires so that they don't get bunched up when you go to stick them in. Nobody likes to get bunched up. Again, red to green. That screwdriver. Make sure that your connector is centered inside of the insulated boot as such. Red to green. And then black to black. And again, we're going to check our tab, make sure that it's centered inside of our boot. all done. Our wiring harness will be reconnected to our headlight. And now for good measure, we'll go ahead and turn it on and check it.